Money's always been such a good friend to me. It's always been so easy feeling money with me, around me. It's always been my friend. It's always been easy to talk with it and to talk about it, to show it off, to be proud of it, and to be happy to have it, to understand it. It's always been so easy to appreciate it and laugh with it, feel such joy with it. I noticed many people couldn't and still cannot, but I always found that very, very strange and incomprehensible, because money is such a great friend and companion, even more than a loyal, wonderful dog. Money feels like a best friend who's always there, supporting you, loving you, understanding you. Money always has your back. It will always protect you and will defend you. It is such a loving and caring energy of home, safety and security and comfort and sweet, sweet home. I have always felt money so close to my heart, even when I was little. Money was always there for me to comfort me and support all of my dreams and all of my passions and all of my crazy ideas. It's wonderful to have money on your side like that. Like a super, super best friend who's also your fan and who will do anything to promote your vision and to help you realize your dreams. Money is a wonderful, supportive, and loyal friend. And money was sent to support and promote me and my wild dreams. It is the wind beneath my wings. It's very similar to best friends who were sent to show me the incredible magic that can exist in this life. It's very similar to our lovers who protect us and care for us and cherish us. They're our cheerleaders, and they're proud of us, and money is proud of me. I'm proud to have this incredible support system. Not just proud, it's such a wonderful, fulfilling gratitude, sensation of safety, of belonging. And it gives you that love of belonging and being right, even, it's just like with your group of friends. It's like, you're right, that you are accepted. That's the feeling that money has always, always given me. That I am accepted. I always get a yes from money. Money always says yes. Yes, girl. Yeah, we can have this purse, or you can put together this outfit. Yeah, girl, go girl. You look hot. You're amazing. Sure, we can go get that vacation. Scuba diving, of course. Let's go. Let's go, girlfriend. What else do you need, my queen, my dear, my lovely? What's on your mind? What's on your heart? What could make you smile? Let's go get it. Let's find it. Let's discover. Let's experiment. Money's always been that for me. Always, since I was a little girl, literally just money was just like, don't care what nobody says. I'm here for you, girl. I'm here for you. Let's go. Don't care about their opinions. They don't get it. They don't get it. They don't want it. They don't need it. They don't whatever. It's all about want. It's all about your wants and desires and magical dreams being fulfilled. Since I was a baby, all I had to do is tell the universe I want, I dream, I desire. And money will just swoop in and be like, ta-da, here you go. I heard you said you wanted this, here you go. What are you gonna do with it? Let me watch, let's see, let's play. What's the game you want? What's the toy you want? What's the experience you want? What's the drink or food or item or trip or phone or what is it? What do you want? What do you want? Let's do it, girlfriend. Come on, come on, come on. And money just keeps on doing that. Just keeps on buying me presents, keeps on giving me that feeling of, I got you. I got you. I got you. There's no dream too big. There's no desire too crazy. There's no idea too wild that I cannot fulfill for you. That's crazy friendship. I'm telling you, that is not even loyalty. That's beyond loyalty. That's a partner in crime, as they say, but in a good way. Like, that's your partner in life. There you go. Not in crime. That is your life partner. Money is a lovely, lovely, kind life partner. It literally, you just ask it something and it goes and gets it. Like, money is this very interesting presence. It's always there. It always grows thicker and stronger and more present. Like, it will show up in your bank account to say, like, hey, I'm here. I'm here. What do you need? I'm here. Use me. Please use me. Please use me. Like, use me. I need to be used. I need to have purpose. I need to be used. Yeah, applied. And people don't get that. No, like, well, at least when I was growing up. But of course, I met now all the people who do get it, and it's wonderful. It just has this ability to tell you that nothing is gonna stop you and nothing can stand in your way. There's no hurdle. It's easy. Like, I suppose, yeah, really what it's trying to say all the time is, easy, girlfriend, easy, leave it up to me, no problem. I'll open all the doors, I'll do all the things, I'll do the talking. Like, I'll just, don't worry about it. You just chill. And then when you need me to gather up around you like a blanket, to cozy you up, I'll do that. Yeah. It's not just the wind beneath our wings. It soothes our worries. It soothes fears. When you're afraid, all you have to say, you just tell your money. Tell your money, like, I don't feel so good. I need comforting. It comforts you. In this realm, we're all using love to experience this incredible video game, and money loves us unconditionally. Money, actually, it's interesting, doesn't want anything from us at all. At all. Money has always cared for me and showed me how special I am. It's interesting, like it is unconditional, like, but it's not the only thing that shows us that. Like, the air is constantly silently there, constantly supporting, promoting, encouraging, like just everything. Like, it's always there. Nobody even like gives a shit. Nobody looks at it. It's always there. It's just like, hey, I'm giving you life. And money is the same way. It's always there. It's always giving you life. It responds to your every need. Just like breath. Breath responds to your every need. Like, if you want to run, it gives you enough breath to run. If you want to sleep, it slows down. Like, if it just whatever you need. The sun is the same way. The planet. Like, actually, this entire video game is constructed that way. But for some idiotic reason, some people don't get it. So anyway, we were talking mostly about money, but it's not the only thing that loves us unconditionally, is what I'm saying. The sun is loving you completely unconditionally. Do you think that you can give back to the sun? Do you think you can pay the sun back for all it's giving you? Do you think you can maybe like labor hard enough, or like devote your life to the sun? Well, I mean, people have devoted their life to the sun, but you know what I mean? Like, and I think that's why they worshipped the sun, because they maybe invented this misunderstanding that they somehow need to sacrifice to the sun in order for it to shine. And actually that kind of makes sense now when we think about money and the sun. And then eventually we just, I guess, realize that's stupid. It's still going to rise in the morning whether you do something or not. And I think maybe the people who don't understand money, it's like the sun. It's just you're putting it on a pedestal that this doesn't need to be on. It's always going to be there for you. It's always going to, but you do need to understand that. I guess it's possible that humans back in the day, when they were afraid of the sun and worshipping the sun and sacrificing to each other, that's well, I mean, yeah, we do this. People do the same for money. Yeah, that's weird. I never noticed that analogy, that people used to do that in the Amazon with the sun, and now we do it in Europe with money. How interesting. Most people, I never did. Like, I always just kind of felt like money's always there. Money's always good. Money's always what's the word I'm looking for? Comforting and soft and loving, and like a blankie, like my mom's love, like people love me, money loves me, life loves me, the sun loves me, God loves me, I'm special, I'm good, I'm protected, I'm supported. That's how I always felt. So particularly, yes, I just kind of want to write this ballad to money and acknowledge it. And I should probably do the same for the sun and the wind and nature and my eyes and my body. It's always shown me respect. And always, money is interesting. I've always wondered in the past, like, how come money's always trying to be part of my life? Kind of like a stalker. Kind of like that friend that you just like don't want to be friends with, but they're always, dragging behind you and around you and waiting for something cleared up. Waiting for every opportunity to contribute to you, to help you. And you're just like this retard. It's like, oh, go away. You're annoying. I do have to apologize, darling. I do have to say to myself, I'm really sorry that you did actually choose from time to time to believe stupid, idiotic things, kind of like the other people did, and I forgive myself. There it goes. Oh, I forgive myself. I forgive myself, and I forgive myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you, and I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you, and I love you. Oh, one last time. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you, and I love you.